Back here at Crocodile Lake National Wildlife Refuge. Second or third bridge after the main one there, Cart Sound Key Road Bridge, the very large one, just past the toll booth if you're coming from the north. Definitely a slack tide right now. I've been in here and the water is just stacking up with the wind and the tide. And right now it's like a mirror. Got my hand here at a little fishing. Been here before and never caught anything. Only fish with other fishes most of the time, so I know there's a bunch of mangrove snapper and stuff of that sort. I did catch a pretty decent sized sheep's head once fishing with fiddler crabs. Really no edge to the side of the creek here because it was dug out, so it's kind of hard to work that edge. Gotta be careful not to cast too close to the shore because there's a lot of hidden roots and down branches underneath the water that will likely snag the lure. Alright, made it to the end of the creek. It's really not that far of a paddle, maybe 5 minutes from the launch point from the bridge. With a nice steady pace, nothing too strenuous. Let's see if it posts up at this point. The tide is slack, but it's starting to fall a little bit, so we can hit some fish as they're coming out of the creek here. Straight ahead. Can't really make it out. Turkey Point's over there. That's North Key Largo. It's a private gated community down there. A little bit of a current. Going back up here on the bridge where we launched from. You see it on the left. Made it to the other side of the island here. I think I'm kind of running low on time to fish. Really haven't seen anything. That's alright. So it's kind of going in different directions. Pulling up here. It's like a south blowing wind pushing up against the left side of the channel. Kind of hard to make out on the video camera, but anything shallow enough to stake out and watch the sunset, and the current was just too strong. Oh. It's egret, some sort. Heron, not an egret. So, heading back. That's it.